into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my
Guys, your girl is back. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lola. And before I start transmitting this energy, before I start, dishing out this energy today, I want to say a huge thank you to Black Radiance Beauty for sending me this their package, and a very big thank you to Timmy Tims, my girl, for getting this package across to me. So this package contains the foundation sticks and the True Complexion palette. So starting from the brightest or the lightest shade here is Bronze Glow, to Cappuccino, to Brownie, to Beautiful Bronze, to Cashmere, to Cocoa Bean, to Espresso, to Chocolate Dipped. So guys, I'm gonna apply Beautiful Bronze on my left side and Cappuccino on my right side, and see the difference between these two foundations.
We couldn't be friends anymore. Go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza.
Oh, sis king. Okay, so I've come to a conclusion that I'm either Cappuccino or Beautiful Bronze. I can also always mix both whenever I want to. So it's time to contour the contour, and I light. I'm so serious. I'm just cracking myself up here. So one of the coolest thing about this foundation stick is that it has foundation on one side and blending brush on the other side, so you don't even have to worry your pretty head if you don't have blending brush. They got you, girl, they got you. These foundation sticks are mainly for contour, to choose your cheekbone, to sculpt out your cheek, but I found a perfect shade for me, so I can always use it with other foundations. And these sticks are really pigmented. They are so rich, like that black is super rich. Everything, they are also rich. So for the True Complexion palette, Black Radiance actually got everybody this time. Like, there is light to medium, there is dark to deep, there is medium to dark. Everyone is covered, and the highlighter shades in this palette are so pigmented, especially this dark to deep. I mean, I thought I was gonna give it out because of the colors in it, the contour shades, but when I tried the highlighter, it melts into my skin like, what? I love it so much. So, okay. This palette is versatile, the use is endless. You can use the brown shades on your crease. Black Radiance got us, they got us. Okay, so I'm just out here showing you guys what I'm working with. No setting spray, no lashes. I want to fight. Yeah. Okay, let me just hype myself up. I only highlighted and contoured. I'm good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this review though. So that's it. It's about to be back to back on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.
I have to get out of this place. I sense some